If I have to go to the ER room right now, I'm just gonna cut it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Wait.
The pump with, yep. Oh fuck. Piping your mom.
Wait.
What's up guys, it's Rina, welcome back to another one of my 2J Swap series videos. You know what we're doing today. I'm gonna start doing it. Yeah. We're gonna start by putting on the oil pump. I have a brand new pump. I don't have to worry about rebuilding it or anything. Everything's already torqued down from factory. We're just gonna plop her on. This is a GTE pump for anyone wondering. First, I'm gonna take the O-rings, and I spray like O-rings and stuff with silicone, but I don't have that. Gonna put them in the block. Whee! I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Well, hold on. Okay, so yeah, now you get a better view. Here you go. So here's the other one. Gonna push that right in there, like that. Oh my god, real nice. And this one. There's been like oil that's been leaking out of these oil ports right here. So I'm gonna get some brake clean on a rag and wipe down this surface with my brand new, very clean rag. Gonna, you know, get her wet.
Wait.
And then get it all nice and clean. All of this is now cleaned out with brake clean. So we should have a nice surface to seal the sealant for the pump with. Yep. Oh fuck. Okay, and now we're going to put the pump on. Oh yeah, kind of heavy. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to take some assembly lube, and it doesn't say anything about this in like the Toyota service information. Sorry, I'm fucking retarded. But I just feel like these are contacting surfaces. It should be lubricated.
Wait.
So I'm gonna do it. Whoa. Dripping everywhere. So I'm just gonna lube that. Ooh. And just rub it in. Very nice, very good, very cool. Cool and good.
Cool and good.
And then I'm also gonna do it on the inside of the pump. I'm gonna be more careful because I don't want it to like get on the sealing surfaces of this, because that would be bad.
Wait.
Oh, it's dripping. And then like that. Very nice. Very good.
It's very nice.
And then we wipe it on our pants. And now, flip it over. I have a surface diagram. This is the little chartsies that, you know, we got for the silicone layout, and it shows me like where to put it on here. So I'm gonna do this as quick as possible because silicone, it's kind of like a short time thingy. So like the silicone is open for too long, like it's like on the surface for too long and it starts drying before you start torquing it down. You gotta fucking redo it. So I'm just gonna do this really quickly, as fast as I can without fucking it up, hopefully. So we're gonna, oh! Fuck. Okay, so here we go. I'm trying to work fast. Fuck. Okay. I don't have time to measure it. If it's 2 or 3 fucking millimeters, Toyota, I really don't. I gotta keep it away from the oiling passages. That's the thing though, because I don't want to get any silicone into there, because that's not good. That here. This is like fucking piping. I'm real good at piping. Piping your mom.
Wait.
Make it a little bit thicker in some spots. We don't want this fucking thing to leak, but we also don't want it in the oil passages. I really don't want this to leak. There. Okay. I'm going to put this on here. Press it on where it's supposed to go. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yep, there it is. Okay. Oh, there's a crease coming out right there. Very nice. Okay, I need the bolts for this. Oh, fuck. There are 2 long ones. The long ones go here and here. Just to get this, like, seated on there a little bit. The other side. And then I'll torque them down with a torque wrench. I just want to get this thing on there before the silicone dries. I'm going to torque them down. We have notes. Oh, well, I was gonna install the crank seal before I put the pump in, but it's okay. It can go on afterwards too. All the bolts torque to 15 foot-pounds, and there are 9 bolts. So start counting. 15 foot-pounds. Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, so those are in. So oil pumps, good. Before I put the water pump on, actually, I forgot I need to get the crank seal in there. Very important. I don't have a socket big enough to like smack this thing in there. So I've come up with my own thing that I think will work. So this is a cap
No cat. Oh God, no cat.
To my battery cleaner solutions. I'm just gonna cut this out so that it fits over the crank snout, and I'm gonna hammer the seal in with that and then double check it with a flathead. So
Wait.
this is a genuine OEM Toyota crankshaft seal installer tool. Yes, the fuck it is. Yes, it is. I'm just gonna take my X-Acto knife and hopefully not stab myself, but if I do, it's on camera so you guys can laugh. I'm just gonna cut it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Wait.
If I have to go to the ER room right now, this is probably not my safest or smartest idea, but it is going to work, so I am going to do it. Please work. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's look at that. Oh. Do not do this. Do not repeat these actions. This is done strictly by a professional. Don't fucking do this dumb shit. Oh, scary. Oh god, I really got it in there deep that time. That's what he said. What the fuck? This is scary. We're just gonna, oh my god. Yeah. So, here. Yeah, we're gonna put this away now. I'm going to put a light amount of lubricant
Wait.
on both sides of this crank seal, just because it helps it seal a little bit better. Is the cat crying? Stop crying. Shut up, Cam. That's my cat. Cam, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up! And a little bit on the back. We're gonna wipe the rest on our pants, per the fucking usual, and slide this on. People usually will install the seal before they put the oil pump on, but I forgot. So we're just gonna press this seal in. Now it's in there, and I'm gonna take my nice tool I made. Grab my mallets and just start tapping on it. Whee! So you like that? You like my nice combination of tools I got going on here? Yeah. Tapping on it on either side. I can't believe this is fucking working. This is literally so stupid. So I'm gonna be gentle with this, but it's not a sharp screwdriver. It's just a big flathead. So I'm gonna take this and gently, being really careful not to like puncture it or damage it at all. It is going in. So I used multiple tools to just like gently hammer it evenly, and now the seal is pressed in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the water pump on. So this O-ring right here, that on there, we press that in all nice. Now for the pump. Yeah. Let's make sure this O-ring doesn't move. I got a couple of these started now. I'm gonna get my torque wrench, and these bolts all torque to 15 foot-pounds as well. And then I'm gonna go over them all again one more time just to make sure that they're the right torque and I didn't miss any bolts. So all 6 bolts on the water pump are torqued down now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw my CPS in, crank position sensor. So if you can see this little spot down here that goes in there like that. A very crucial step, putting crank gear on. It's got this little reluctor wheel on it so that when it passes through the sensor can pick up the signal, and it takes 0101s all the way to the computer, and then it can tell the computer how to adjust the VVT and everything like that. Very important. If you do not have this, the car will not start. So we're gonna go ahead and press this gear on here. You're supposed to press this on. Don't use the back of your impacts to tap stuff in. It's not a hammer. Yep. It's a slow process. There she goes. So I kind of ran into a problem. I have the wrong fucking crank timing gear, and I had to pull it all the way off, and it was a pain in the fucking ass, and I don't have a tool for it. So I ordered a new one. But yeah, we're just gonna keep going. Goodbye. All right, now we're just gonna throw the little timing belt idler pulley on. This bolt needs Loctite, so let me grab that. Yeah. We're just gonna put this on a couple of threads. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, that came out fast. Tighten it down. So let me go grab a hex for this. All right, I think it's an 8. It should be an 8. It's not. And how about 10? I think it's a 10. It should be a 10. Fuck yeah. Okay, I'll put it right there. Yeah. 26 foot-pounds. Beep, 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 beep. Cool. Oh, it's at 27.1. Ooh. I'm gonna make sure that this moves. It does, very good. Throw on tensioner, the little grenade pin, wedge this up in there like that. Okay, I don't have the right bolt for that because it's sticking out a little bit, but it's okay. It'll hold it in there, it's the right thread pitch, so. And then 20 foot-pounds, 20. solid. I'm gonna go ahead, get the alternator in. And for those of you that are interested, this is not a stock alternator. I'm going to be running this one, which is kind of like a little collaboration with Rad Industries. It's a self-exciting alternator. I think it puts out like 16 volts. This is going to help us because I'm going to be using the stock EPS. I don't want to run hydraulic power steering, so I needed to upgrade my alternator because we needed more power generated in order to power the EPS or electric power steering. This thing heavy, man. Okay, I can feel it threading in now. Swivel this bitch up. It's so heavy. It's so fucking heavy. All right, so the alternator bolts go to 30 foot-pounds. Okay. Now I'm gonna throw on the backing plate for the camshafts, like that. Yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the camshaft gears. I'm gonna take these off. Goodbye, timing belts. And for anyone that's wondering what this is a Powerhouse Racing adjustable cam gear. I'm using it for the exhaust cam. If you can see these little plates back here, this is actually a locking adjustable cam gear because I have seen a lot of people where they're on the dyno, they're tuning everything in, and these will be loose. Or, you know, some of them will come loose from factory and people don't tighten them down, or they just don't tighten them enough, and you end up losing timing. It's a pain in the ass. So I got locking ones because I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna line up the pin, thread in my little nut. I got the upgraded hardware too. Yeah, it's nice. What is this, an H10? Yeah, it's an H10. Okay, so the camshaft pulley bolts, they go to 60 foot-pounds. I learned from last video, and I will not be taking my locking pliers to my camshafts anymore because I went to the store and I got a nice little adjustable wrench. Boom! And then we're going to torque it to 60 foot-pounds. Okay, this part sucks because I'm not very strong. Go! Oh God, please don't! I have little fucking noodle arms. This is so not fun. Okay. I'm putting all my weight into this. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! You see that? Boom! In the bag! In the bag! Okay, bet. We like that. That's nice. Now, for the VVTi. This one's kind of tricky. I have to line up the pin, and then I'm gonna thread this bolt in here, adjust it. Okay, see if I can do this. And here we go again. It's getting hot in here. Okay. Oh. I don't know why that one is easier, but it says 60, so. Before I put this little screw plug on the VVTi gear, there is this little gasket on there. Oh, crunchy. Okay, got it. Okay, and then this seal, it looks like it is non-directional. Both sides are the exact same. I'm just gonna use my pants to wipe off all of the old engine oil that was on the little plug. Like that. This goes on. And this gets torqued to 11 foot-pounds. Go ahead and get the big drive belt tensioner on here, and they go here, here, and here. Cool. And then, oh, nice. Torque these down to 15 foot-pounds. Okay. There's not really much else I could do now. I have to order different bolts for the valve cover gaskets, put those on, and I'm still waiting on my new crankshaft timing gear. So the ATI super dampener and timing belt and everything will have to be for next video. So I'll see you guys then. Adios.